Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing everything about this hair. Can you believe this is not mine? It looks like it could be mine, right? Totally my hair.
I'm changing. I'm changing. I'm changing. All right.
I've gotten so many questions about this hair. This is actually a human hair headband wig. What? Like, when did that become a thing? I don't know, but I'm so glad it did. If you guys have watched any of my recent vlogs or follow me on Instagram, you guys have seen me in a wig that has this type construction quite a bit. This has actually been my go-to wig construction. I love this construction because it's so easy and it looks like it's my own. Now, HEADBAND recently released a headband wig and I'm so excited that they decided to do so. I've been on them about making this type of construction for a bit and they finally released a wig like this one in my favorite texture, which is the coily texture, and it seems as though they've actually upgraded the curl pattern. On the ends, the ringlets look so much more curly, which I love. Right in the package, you could absolutely wear the unit as is, but y'all know I always wash and condition. I'm going to show you guys that process now.
Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining and talking. Just know she had coffee with me. Yeah, I hear you like pizza and dancing. Love that is not that romantic. Yeah, I don't have no time for no antics. Smile for the cameras. Oh, they like me now. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, do you think of me when I'm not around?
So this is what the headband wig construction looks like. It has a black headband along the front parameter and it has a Velcro attachment on the end so that you can seamlessly close it and cause it to be secure on your head. You could also use the combs that come on the inside. This construction is probably going to be the new way for wig construction. I've actually already seen many companies who are now starting to adopt this type of wig construction and I'm all for it. This construction is so easy. You're talking about grab and go, no work needed. This is just a unit you can just put on, be out of the house in no time. Now, when washing this hair, I use the Total Miracle 7-in-1 conditioner by Aussie. I love this stuff. I also use my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush to make sure that the hair was fully detangled and also to define the curls. I applied the conditioner first along with water and I just went through the hair with my detangling brush. After doing that and rinsing it out, I decided to apply my two favorite stylers, which are the Curl Defining Glaze by Dark and Lovely along with the Curl Enhancer by Softy Naturals. I love those two together. It helps to soften the hair and also give it a really nice sheen.
Hey, do you think of me when I'm not around? Jaw hit the ground when you walk around. Looking like, look like art. 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 Shawty, you look like. I hear you like pina coladas. Like that, she not one for drama.
The coily texture best matches 3C 4A texture. I really like this texture a great deal. It is actually my go-to texture. I got this unit in length 20 and I love the shape that it creates. I didn't have to cut it or anything. It just looks so fabulous. It's so me. And what I love about this type of construction is that you don't actually have to wear a headband if you don't want to. Now, I put a headband over mine. This is a black headband I actually got from Amazon. It came in a set and I have so many different colors. I'll actually show those in another video because I have another headband wig coming for you guys in the Yaki Straight texture by My First Wigs. So I'm excited about that one as well. But this is how it actually comes with this black headband. I currently have it styled with the middle part. I'm going to show you guys how I went about styling it that way, how I went about installing it and everything. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like if I were to pull all of my hair straight back so that it doesn't have any parting.
Yeah, big smile, get it from mama. Hey, please, that's your shoes for you get my heart. Looking like, look like art. Hot hills, look like art. On it, look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Looking like blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way. Wake up every morning like it's Friday. No, don't be looking at me sideways. You can get your friends, it's a party. All these girls here indie, happy rest still indie. All I need is good energy. I don't know too many. Looking like a 3-day weekend. Hit it on me, then can't believe it. Oh, they like me now. Yeah, go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, do you think of me when I'm not around? Jaw hit the ground when you walk around. Looking like, look like art. 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 Shawty, you look like. I hear you like pina coladas. Like that she not one for drama. Yeah, big smile, get it from mama. Hey, please, that's your shoes for you get my heart. Looking like, look like art. Hot hills, look like art. On it, look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Looking like.
So now that I've actually shown you guys what it looks like with the middle part, I do want to show you guys what it looks like without any parting at all, with my hair just pulled straight back. For this type cap construction, it doesn't matter what color stocking cap you use. I really like that a great deal, that I can actually use black for this one. All right, now that my edges are laid and I've already tucked away my braids under my stocking cap, I can begin applying the unit. And it's as easy as just putting it on and attaching the Velcro in the back.
Look like art. Looking like.
All right, so now that we have the unit on, we're just going to secure the Velcro attachments in the back.
Like art. Looking like.
All right, so we can wear it just like this with the black headband. And this is perfect for the gym, perfect for just going to the grocery store, perfect for anything. You can wear the black one that comes with it wherever you want to go. It's going to look really good with any outfits. These headband wigs are so convenient. I just love how fast you can install this unit. The curl pattern just looks amazing. Y'all, look at those curls. So beautiful. All right, now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with a different headband. This is what I got from Amazon. It came in this bag. I don't even know how many are in here, but it's a lot, y'all, with all these different designs. I also recently purchased some headbands from Pretty Little Thing. I also have this leaf headband that you all saw in a recent post on my channel and my community board. This one is so gorgeous. It's a crown headband. This is what this one looks like. I wore this headband this weekend. It is so stunning. Like, how gorgeous is that? I found this one on Amazon and I love it. It fits really nicely over the black headband. HEADBAND actually has several different options of headbands on their website. They have this design. They have this one. And I feel like this one would be cute with the top I'm wearing. This is more so of a tubed shaped little scarf. I guess it could kind of be a headband as well. This one would allow you to be able to wear your hair up in a number of different styles. Probably do so much with this one. I'm going to show you all what this one looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's really long. And you can actually wear this one as a protective headband at night. I'm actually going to take the unit off first and put this on before putting the unit on, because it's much more difficult and I don't want to mess up my curls. I'm just going to pull it down to my neck and then I'm going to put the unit back on. All right, that's really cute. And y'all, it feels so snug on my head. I like how much security I feel like I have with this one over it. I mean, it was really secure with the black one, but this one makes it feel much tighter. Now with this type of headband, because it is so thick, you could pull this one down over your hairline if you didn't want to wear your edges out. You could absolutely cover your hairline as much as possible and not have to worry about any of your edges being out. So that's an option. But I actually prefer mine to be pulled back. All right, let's see what styles we can do with it.
Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said, blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way, and I said, thank you. Thank you. Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said, blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way, and I said, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, thank God 'cause I'm blessed. I don't even need that stress. Shorty on my arm breaking necks. Probably 'cause she know I'm breaking necks. I never, ever say I can't, 'cause I walk with an S on my chest. I don't chase nothing but a check. Everybody got a little debt, but I'm tryna be completely debt free. I know people that's upset that I don't have a plan B, and I do this for my dogs, my girl, and all the family. And if you've been where I've been, you will understand me. You will understand. Praying that my wings won't fail me now. Hoping that my feet won't touch the ground. Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said, blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way, and I said, thank you. Thank you. Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said, blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way, and I said, thank you.
Headband that I currently have that's more so tube shaped, that's more so of a protective headband, I guess. They offer this one in a camo design, and they have this vibrant scarf design. But getting a human hair half wig or headband wig is something that I don't believe many companies have done, but they are now starting to do it, and I love it. It's so amazing. This one is so bomb. It looks like my natural hair, and you can style it a number of different ways, as I just showed you guys a minute ago. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I look forward to your comments and feedback. And you all stay tuned. I do have a few more videos coming with more headband wig constructions with different textures and different price points, because I know some of you guys are going to comment about the price point. So I do have affordable options coming. It might not be this particular texture, but I do have some more coming. But I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Be sure to check the description for all the links and specifications for this unit. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.